G'day. G'day. Today I'm going to be talking about digital twins. That's me. Okay, so you've probably heard digital twin being thrown around recently, but what does it really mean? Well, it's kind of like having a video game version of your network of physical assets. It allows you to scalably simulate, monitor, control, and manage them, all from the comfort of your own desk. Digital twins are allowing users to more intelligently and effectively manage complex ecosystems. No longer are you having to sift through thousands or even millions of data points to find the issue and then figure out how to solve it. Digital twin can solve it for you. Oh, hang on. Oh, thanks, digital twin. And whether you know it or not, you've probably already used a digital twin. Let's take ride sharing, for example. You get a notification on your phone of where your car is when you book it, get updates on your trip if there's delays, and it can even automatically notify people if your trip isn't going to plan. So if we apply that same logic to IoT infrastructure, it's so easy to see how digital twins could improve operational efficiency, automate manual processes, and reduce human intervention, ultimately enhancing safety and reducing risks. And real-world applications of digital twins range from monitoring rail infrastructure to floods and even alerting on contaminated drinking supplies. Just one sec. Oh, I'll leave that. So if you want to learn more about digital twins and how they could improve your business, feel free to reach out for a chat. Sorry, one sec. Oh, thanks, digital twin.